Today I am going to discuss about single page application versus multi-page application. So basically the single page application they are developed using Angular technology, and the multi-page application they are developed using SPX technology, ASP.NET or PHP or Java. So that can be used for developing multi-page application. But for single page application, you can go for Angular or Angular JS. That is your 1.x version of Angular. But Angular 2, 3, 4, 4 is not there. Angular 2, 4, actually Angular 3, they have omitted Angular 3. So they have the version like 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 currently. So all the versions of Angular and Angular JS, they are used for developing single page application, and ASP.NET is used for creating multi-page application. So what is the difference between single page application and multi-page application? So single page application is an application that works inside a browser and does not require page loading during the use. So whenever you are clicking on link to link inside a page, it will not reload the page, means there will be no server postback and no rendering of pages from the server again. So but in the other hand, multi-page application are the traditional way. So traditional way means whenever you are clicking a link, it will be post back, means you will see in the browser there's one circle is moving, okay, the rotating circle is there, and from when it is rotating means it is going back to the server from the client and again calculating something or rendering HTML, again it is coming back to the client. So it will be slower than single page application, and every changes is display data or submit data back to the server, request rendering a new page from the server. So every time you are clicking a link in the multi-page application, it will post back to the server and give new HTML to the client. Okay, and basically this type of application are large, bigger than SPA single page applications, because they need to be, means they require that type of technology. Okay, so we'll go for an example of single page application versus multi-page application. So single page application example, we'll see www.lego.com, and multi-page application is I have given one example, https dhinkanal.nic.in, dhenkanal.nic.in. So this is the multi-page application. So let's see how they are working. See, I am going for first for lego.com. So this is the lego.com. Okay, this is the site website. So it is developed using single page technology, because whenever I am clicking here, see, I am going here and I am clicking the boost. See, there is nothing, this is not means rotating. Okay, not rotating means that it is not going to the server again. So whenever I am clicking dots, see, it is not rotating, but I am going to a different page. See, I am getting a different page. Similarly, suppose I will click friends, it is not rotating. So but I am going to the friends page. Suppose I will go ninja, so it is not rotating. So it is going to a different page but not rotating, means there is no server post back. So you can open this lego.com and you can see how it is a single page application. Okay, only one page is there and everything we need, it will be loaded inside the same page. Suppose I will click polybags, see, it is not rotating, means it is not going to server again, but the page related to polybags is coming here. Similarly, you will go for support, or suppose I will go product type. Okay, so it is not posting back. Suppose I will click say sets 57, there is no post back here, but the page is loading here. So this is the single page application example. Basically, we can use Angular technology to use this application. Okay, how it will be shown if we will use responsive technology, just like Bootstrap and other responsive technology, we can show it in a mobile application also, mobile screen. How? I will just squeeze it to a mobile screen. See, so this is the mobile screen. Okay, so inside the mobile screen, see, there is a menu. You can get everything here. Okay, so inside a mobile screen you can see it. So it can be fit to a mobile screen also. Okay, so if you use Bootstrap, then you can fit it to the mobile screen. Okay, then we will go to the example of multi-page application. So this is a multi-page application, dhenkanal.nic.in. So I am clicking here, dhenkanal.nic.in. So whenever I am clicking a link, suppose I will go for history, you will see that this is rotating, means there is a post back. So I am going to history, see this is rotating. First it rotated and then stopped. Then I am going to telephone directory, it will rotate. See, this is rotating. So if I will go to place of, suppose I will go for accommodation, it will again change and rotate. I am going for, so just mark here. Going for clicking here, you will mark there. See, this is rotating. Even you can see here also. So here you can see it will rotate. See, this is rotating, means it is going to the server again. So this is a multi-page application. For example, I will click here, it will rotate. See, this is rotating. So this type of page or application can be developed using ASP.NET technology. ASP.NET application is okay for developing this type of pages, and for developing this type of pages we need Angular. Okay, so in Angular, what is the main key point, what is acting for when we are clicking here, what technology used to show this? That is routing. When we are clicking here, the routing component of the Angular is helping us to load this page. Okay, so this is the page. Actually, in the Angular term, these are not pages, but these are components. Okay, so we are in the component, you have seen the template URL. So this is just template URL. So when I am clicking here, it is showing a different template URL. Okay, this is showing a template URL. So when I am clicking here, the routing technology of Angular is helping us to load this URL, this template URL or template here. Okay, and this area where it is showing, it is the there is some tag used to show. Okay, where we can show the component that will be shown in a particular area. So we will discuss about everything whenever we will go for routing. Okay, so here there is no post back. If you click here, nothing is running, turning here. So we are coming from component to component. We are moving from component to component. Okay, by the router technology. So whenever clicking here, there is a router. Okay, so we will discuss about that.